October 14th, 2016. The underlay is now done for the fourth drawing of the World Gefilte fish series of freshwater and seawater gefiltes. This is the Her Majesty's Spotted Thames River gefilte. And I'll be going over it with fine black line ink. So I got the color underlay is now done. Actually, it looks nice like that. It might not even need a great deal of ink overlay. It's very, very delish gefilte, superb for English, Scottish, Welsh, Northern Irish, even Irish din-din repasts. HM's Spotted Thames River gefilte is coming along here. I'm hoping to hear back from some British Jewish friends to find out if this is a reasonably good representation of this particular species and genus of gefilte. Once that's a fait accompli, I will be adding the three kind of vertical poles for the signage, which will be in Yiddish and Hebrew letters and in English as well, if I can fit it all in there. So to be continued. This is October 30th, 2016. Mazel tov, Mazel tov. It was a busy afternoon. The Thames River gefilte gave birth while I was away shopping, getting groceries, and 3 gefilte babies. It's a boy. It's a girl. We got a transgender here. Well, you know, in the fish world, it's just like the human world. You never know what you can expect. So Mazel tov, Mazel tov. And coming along here, next phase is I have to do the script, the writing. So there you have it. It's very exciting. 3 children, 3 gefilte Kinder